Hi guys, I'm Miriam and welcome to Miriam's Manor. So today, as promised, I have put the video together for you to show you how to make a base with stairs in the middle of the platform. So this is the least complicated method that I know of that you can achieve this look and still have a smooth finish. Some of the other processes can get a little complicated, so I just wanted to show you a super quick and easy, efficient way to get this done and still have a beautiful end result. So check this out and let me know what you think. So to start this out, I am taking my Sharpie and drawing out my stair pattern on the side of the styrofoam. I only want my stairs to be about 2 inches wide, so I'm cutting off the excess styrofoam. So now it's time for me to carve out my stair pattern. I'm going to take the blade of my hot knife and line it up with the line that is on my stairs that I drew, and try and keep my hand as steady as possible going all the way down. Then I am going to cut out the pattern on the other side where the other line is drawn. And I'm going to continue this same pattern while cutting out the rest of the stair pattern. So now I'm going to take that Sharpie again and trace the outline of the stair block. Now that that is complete, I'm going to take my hot knife and work on the inside of the line. The reason I work from the inside is because when you put the hot knife through the styrofoam, it automatically expands your cut. And you want to err on the side of caution and cut a little bit more narrow so that you don't have any wide gaps in your stairs. And now let's do a test run to see how they fit. So it's a little bit snug. I'm just going to take a super teeny tiny piece off on this side, and this should be enough for me to fit the staircase within there. Perfect. I have a super snug fit. I don't even really need to glue this if I don't want to. It's in here so tight, but I'm definitely going to pull this little piece back out and add some glue on the sides. If your stairs are fitting as tight as mine, please be sure to be gentle when you're pushing down on the styrofoam so that you don't damage your base or the stairs when you go to remove it. So now I'm just going to take my Elmer's all-purpose white glue, and I'm using this styrofoam block as my spreader for my stairs because I forgot to bring out an extra brush. So I'm just going to spread some white glue on both sides and the back of my stair block. Then I am going to take my two toothpicks and put them in the back of where the stairs are going to go. So I'm just going to slide them right in so that these stairs really are not going to go anywhere. So I used a piece of scrap styrofoam to make this base, so I want to clean up the edges. I am taking this hot wire foam factory knife. And the reason I love this is because if you can see, this neck bends and you can just carve a really cool pattern into the side of this styrofoam and take off all of those little bubbly rough edges and create a pattern in the side. So I'm just going to take this hot wire, make some light sweeping motions into the styrofoam, and I'm going to do the same motion for all four sides of this base. Now that all four sides of this base are cut, I'm going to start with my paint, and I have my black wash that I'm going to start with. This is 2 parts paint, 1 part water, and I'm going to cover this entire base with this black paint and especially get into all of the crevices. My black wash is done, and now I'm ready to add my first coat of gray paint. So this is the color that I decided to go with. And what I'm doing is just taking the tip of my brush and gently sweeping over the face of each side. So to paint the top of this, I want the surface to just have a textured look. So I'm just taking my brush and dabbing it on the top of this surface all throughout the entire surface. Once this coat dries, I am going to repeat this exact same process on the sides and on the top with lighter layers of gray paint. So each time I'm just adding a couple of more dots of white paint to my existing gray color to lighten up each layer. So my 3 layers of gray paint are now complete and dry. So now it's time to add the snow detail. I am taking a cap full of white paint and a very thin brush, and I'm going to highlight some of the edges on this base. So here is the final result. I have placed my building in the middle of the platform, surrounded it with trees, and added some snow flurries. So the video is not quite over yet, but I do have some bonus footage for you guys today because while I was in the middle of building this platform with the stairs, I received a comment from Michelle who saw my 3-tier base that was in my Christmas Village tour for 2020. And she's interested in building it, so she asked if I can pan over that build for her so she can get a closer look at it. But before I do that, Michelle, what I wanted to do for you is just to quickly show you how I actually built it. It was super simple and easy actually. All I did was take one long piece of styrofoam for the first initial base, then added a shorter piece of styrofoam of the same width and height, but just different lengths. And then again, added another piece of styrofoam on top of that one of the same width and height, just a shorter length. So that was able to give me my 3 tiers for that 3-tier base that I built for my business district in my village. So I will go ahead and play that video for you. I took a new video slowly panning over it. So I hope this helps you. If you have any other questions, please reach out to me and let me know, and I'll be sure to get back with you and answer those. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Please give me a big thumbs up on the video. I'd really appreciate it. Also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel and share the video with anyone who might need some help with creating some Christmas bases and platforms for their village. The next couple of things that I have coming up, I am in the process right now of building that bridge out of styrofoam, as well as putting together another Christmas Village quick tip video. If you don't want to miss those, click on that notification bell. And if you guys have any questions on anything that you've seen on the video today, or if you just have any questions for me in general, leave me a line in the comment section. I do read them and I will get back with you. So as always, until I see you again, stay safe, God bless you, and I hope to see you back really soon. Bye.